In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in PowerPoint. This is a handy tool when you want to create a focused presentation with an element of visual hierarchy or maybe add a bit of artistic flair to your slides. Starting off, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can easily locate this program on your computer, and it's most often represented by a P-shaped icon with an orange background. Once it's open, navigate through your slides to find the image that you're looking to blur. When you found the right picture on your slide, click on it. This action is crucial because as soon as you click the image, it activates the Picture Format tab. You'll see this appear in the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint workspace, and that's when you know you're on the right track. Next, go ahead and click on the Picture Format tab itself. Now glance over to the Adjust group located on the left side of this tab. Here you'll find an option called Artistic Effects, which is represented by an icon that looks like a small paintbrush. Click on that, and you'll notice a gallery of effects unfold before you. Among these options, you'll see the blur icon. The icon typically resembles a swirling or softening effect, and this is what you'll be selecting next. Once you click on the blur icon, immediately you'll see your selected picture blur slightly, but wait, there's more you can do to fine-tune this effect to your liking. With that blurred picture still selected, navigate back to the Artistic Effects dropdown. At the very bottom of this menu, you'll find Artistic Effects options. Go ahead and click there. Upon clicking, the Format Picture panel will open up on the right side of your screen. This panel is your toolkit for further customization. Focus on the section dedicated to artistic effects. There you'll see something called the radius slider. This slider is your control mechanism for adjusting the intensity of the blur effect. By moving this slider left or right, you can either increase or decrease the blur to exactly fit the feel you're aiming for in your presentation. Remember, making strategic use of blur can help emphasize or de-emphasize aspects of your visuals. It's a wonderful way to ensure your audience stays focused on the elements that matter most. So experiment a bit, find your perfect balance, and enhance your presentation with skillful imagery. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to blur an image using Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.